We have now received the new Voyager cases. So really handy, transportable case. It's got clever little Velcro bits to keep your zip safe. Zip nicely undone. And then you have a whole load of clever compartments, so you can prep your beadwork on the go. So that is a nice firm board, you can stick your needles in there, and then that clips over nicely there. And then when you've got it full, it will hold everything, so you can put patterns in there, keep lots of things safe, put all your tubes of beads, some tools, pens, whatever you need in there. And with a very handy clip-on long handle, so if you want to carry it over your shoulder, very useful. Then this area allows for more beads, and then nicely flips over. You've got a whole zip compartment, so really useful for your scissors and anything else you're transporting. And then more really useful, how to get to that little pocket there with the elasticated top, so it'll keep it nice and tight. And then more areas for carrying your tools. And if you need to, clever bit, this actually velcros out and holds in securely. So if you want to take part of it out or put other things in, you can very easily. So there we go.